I spy with my little eye. Yeah.
Hello everyone, and welcome to the I Spy Queens channel. I'm Anitra, and I'm a full-time reseller. And I also have 2 front cases at an antique mall. I do a lot of things on this channel, from crafting to thrift haul videos to sourcing videos. Pretty much a little bit of everything, because I get bored with the same old. So we got to do something different. But welcome to $2 Tuesday, where everything you're going to see today will be $2. Please leave a timestamp. Please leave a timestamp for the items that you may want. And those who do it first will be awarded the items. Please send me a text message to area code 716-405-4443. And if you feel more comfortable, if you live outside of the country, please send me an email to MississippiLady42@gmail.com. But I really prefer text message, you guys. It's much easier for me. Emails are just all over the place. So, without further ado, and there will be a sold list pinned in the comments, so you'll know what's already sold. That way you don't have to search through the video, to make it easier for you. Stay tuned for $2 Tuesday live video at 6:45 Eastern later today. So without further ado, let's get into this video. All right, first we have this wire wrapped bracelet. It looks like it's got plastic crystals on it. These mostly fit any size wrists. I'm just gonna put it on real quick just to show you what it may look like. I am a 7 wrist, so that's how that one will look. $2. Next we have this stretchy silver tone one. This is how this one will look. We have this little shoe, porcelain. Here's the bottom. This is how it would sit. No cracks or, well, it looks like it's got some kind of, that right there. But that might have just came off. So $2 for that. We have a pair of sunglasses. They say love right there. This is how they will look. They are not, sunglasses you get, they fold over because they're stretched out. These are not stretched out. $2. Next we have this wooden 3-layer necklace at the bottom. No clasp on it, so it's just a pullover. Wearable on this one is 16 inches wearable on this one. We have that. Next we have a silver tone bracelet. Look like it's got hearts and then upside down hearts. And this is a bigger one. I want to say this is probably fit about an 8.5, 9 maybe, because I'm a 7 wrist. In very good condition. No maker's mark on this one. Next we have this silver tone cuff. That's how that one will fit. I'm a 7 wrist again. We have that. Next we have this wooden sheet block. I thought it was maybe a puzzle piece, but it's marked there. So we have that. You guys, on my channel, when I do sales, I like to do a variety of different things. I am not just only a jewelry channel. I am a little bit of this and a little bit of that channel. This is a porcelain bunny rabbit pushing, I forgot what these are called, y'all. I am unscripted and unorganized. It's got an AS back there on there. So we have that little guy. He has no chips or cracks on him. Next we have this little pyramid. It says Cancun on this one. Mexico. Here's the back. We have that. Next we have one of those Italian bracelets. There's no charms on this one. But you can take these out and make them how big or how small you would like and add the charms on there. Next we have a beaded bubblegum ball bracelet. That's how this one would fit. Stretch is good on this one. Got a tassel hanging from it. We have this plastic. Has a little hang tag. It says Avar. Wearable length on this is a 7 and some change on this one. Next we have a cross bracelet, easily assembled, and easy instructions included. So we have that. It's never been opened. Next we have another pair of sunglasses. These are black. It's kind of like a pink. Is it a pinkish? Yeah, pinkish inside, or either it's reflecting from my mat. That's how these ones look. No makers on these. Next we have a mother of pearl bracelet, little thin one. This one is probably a 5.5. 5.5 on this one. Next we have a double layer pearl, faux pearl on a chain. It's quite long. How is everybody doing today? Hopefully good. Yeah, it has a lobster claw. Wearable on this one is a 17-inch. 17 inches on this one. Next we have this little wooden angel. Here's the back of her. Next we have these multiple CB bracelets. They are tied on a brown ribbon, but there are glass beads on them that look like a amber color. This is a green one, another green. But yeah, they all little individual dainty little sea bead with glass beads bracelets. You can, the stretch is really good on them. We have those. Next we have this little chickie. It seems like it's porcelain. Yeah, it's porcelain. It'd be cute in the yard, maybe. That's where I would put them. Probably out in the front yard or something. Somebody did a good job making this stone. So kudos to you, whoever made it. We have these pearls with a tassel. Gold tone. No clasp. Wearable on this is 16 inches. 16 and some change inches. We have that. Next we have this rhinestone bracelet. All the rhinestones are there. I want to say this is a 6 wearable inch. Next we have this cross. Here's the back of this one. And we also have, when I count my blessings, I count them twice. Here's the back of that. We have these silver disc earrings. They're post. Look like they're in very good condition. We have these silver tone earrings with pink. Here's the back of those. Oh. So we have those. Next we have this little notebook of hearts. $50 of them. Portland, Oregon. Never been open. Next we have these purple enamel and white earrings. They're posts. Next we have this glass and chain on copper tone, metal tone, lobster claw clasp. 8 wearable inch on this one. Next we have this little Friends Are Forever. Here's the back. We have this little cross. Like little birds, flowers. Here's the back. Look like it has no chips or cracks on it. Next we have this 2 penguin brooch. Next we have these wooden colorful earrings, posts. Next we have this gold tone, like an antique gold chain. Wearable length on this is a 8. No makers. I had one like this. It was a Sarah Coventry. We have that. Next we have this sea bead and hematite. Wearable on this is 11. And pearls and gold tone. It has a barrel clasp. So we have that. Next we have a mesh style bracelet. Stretchy. We have this bag, tote bag, pocket here, pocket there. It's in new like condition. These are one of those kind of purses I would take to the beach, like to put your swimsuit in after it's wet. Here's the bottom. The length on this one is 15 inches wide. The handles are in very good condition. So we have that. Next we have this little bracelet, like bigger sea beads with a barrel clasp on it. It will fit a 7 wrist. Have that. Next we have this New York piece. Shells. Wearable length on this one. It has an extender. It is a 9 wearable inch, but it can get longer with the extender. Double chains. Next we have a mother of pearl, little dainty little necklace with antique gold tone little beads on it. And I want to say these are wooden. It has an extender with a lobster claw clasp. Wearable on this one without the extender is a 8. With the extender you can get it at a 10.5. So we have that. Next we have a black and silver bracelet. This is a 7 wearable. Next we have another mesh. This looks like this is a silver tone. Very good condition. It looks to be new. Next we have these blue and white polka dot earrings, post. Next we have this purple and silver tone necklace, spring ring clasp. Wearable inch on this one is a 8. Next we have this double beaded. These are plastic. Lobster claw clasp. 10 wearable inch on this one. It's got 3 layers. We have that. Next we have a wooden, I love wood jewelry. Wearable length on this is a 12.5 inch. And I think this is a, I don't know if it's a pull string or not. But this is, these are, I think these are maybe stone or glass. I like the way they sound. We have that. It might be a pull string, I'm not sure. Pretty cool. Next we have a stretchy ring. Black gunmetal tone. We have that. Next we have a cat eye. Silver tone with an extender. It is a 9 wearable. With the extender you can get it to about 11.5. I guess it's got hearts around it. Next we have another silver and black like pleather in between. This one is a 7 wearable inch as well. Next we have this little mini partner, boy and a girl plastic. Look like they're bride and groom. Made in China. So we have that. We have a pair of, another pair of sunglasses. These are like a dusty rose color. They need a bath. Here's the trim on the sides. How those look there. That's how they look sitting up. Yeah, we have that. And we also have this little book, love notes. Here is this empty in the inside. These are good to have on your keychain if you got to write down a number to give it to somebody or something. We have that. We also have, last but not least, we have this little bobblehead. It looks like it says Elway. I'm probably wrong, but we have this guy. $19.96 NFLP. We have that little guy. We do have one more. We have this pretty bracelet. Ooh. Like peacock wings. I want to say this is small. This is like a 5. So that is it, you guys. Yeah, so please leave a timestamp for the items that you may want, and they will be awarded to you. And I will have a sold list in the comments. So you guys, please stay safe, stay blessed, stay kind and courteous to one another, and always remember to check on your friends, family, and neighbors. And please remember to keep it real. Until then, I Spy Queen Anitra. I am out. Bye-bye.